Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi and today's video is going to be a ginormous haul. Is that even a word? A ginormous haul of a bunch of products, beauty, skincare, makeup products that I discovered on purple.com. Now, in case you missed my last video or my last couple of Insta reels, well, in that case, first of all, you need to follow, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for notifications because clearly you seem to be missing a lot of important stuff. But more importantly, purple.com is currently having the big beauty blowout sale, which has already started and will be on till 27th of September, where you can get up to 50% off on 500 plus beauty brands. What do you want to shop for? Well, here are a couple of things that you definitely want to look out for. So first I have with me the Good Vibes Purifying Face Wash with Green Tea. I love that it's a paraben-free, mineral oil-free formula with no animal testing and is designed to prevent acne, improve skin tone and soothe the skin while keeping your skin squeaky clean. It's a fantastic formula, especially for all those of you who have acne-prone skin, or if you also tend to have a lot of clogged pores. This can be a wonderful addition to your skincare routine. Having said that, not to forget, I recently also talked about the Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Face Wash, which once again is a paraben-free, mineral oil-free formula with no animal testing. It is designed to promote healthy skin and deep cleansing your skin while removing the dirt, oil and impurities, keeping the skin fresh and clean. And I love the fact that it contains vitamin C. Now, you know vitamin C is rich in antioxidants, which is great for dealing with the oxidative stress on your skin. It's also great for brightening your skin, making your skin radiant, dealing with a whole lot of skin issues such as dark spots and pigmentation. So this is again a really good face wash. You can pick and choose. For instance, if you have acne problems, you can go for the green tea face wash, or if you have skin radiance problem, you can go for the vitamin C. Having said that, of course, Good Vibes has a whole range of face washes which I've talked about time and again. If you want to check out my Good Vibes haul videos, I will share a couple of links in the description box below. Moving on, which is also the next step of any skincare routine, which is using a toner, for which I want to talk about the Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. Now, once again, a paraben and alcohol-free formula. Yes, 100% alcohol-free formula, guys, is designed to gently unclog the pores while clarifying your skin and to even out the skin tone. It's instantly refreshing and it hydrates the skin beautifully while picking out anything that might have left behind, any particles after you've used a face scrub or a face mask. It will clean your skin so beautifully. Having said that, once again, I recently did a Good Vibes haul where I also talked about the Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Toner, which is again a paraben sulfate free formula, 100% alcohol free and no animal testing, completely vegan. Designed to give you smoother and clearer skin while tightening the pores and instantly hydrating the skin. It is enriched with natural ingredients like cucumber and aloe and designed to be suitable for all skin types. It also has a really nice refreshing fragrance because obviously it contains vitamin C, and like I said, it has the benefits of vitamin C like dealing with the oxidative stress and giving you a clearer, more radiant looking skin. We also have the Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Gel Creme, which is again a paraben sulfate free, mineral oil free formula with no animal testing, completely vegan. It contains vitamin C that helps to treat acne, boost collagen and give you your youthful skin. It gives you an oil-free look while maintaining the moisture balance, and it has this property of quick absorption while brightening up your skin. Absolutely fantastic product if you want a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and radiant looking. We also have the Good Vibes Vitamin C Glow Face Scrub, which, like you can guess, paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free and no animal testing vegan formula. It is designed to scrub off all the excess dirt, sebum, oil, and the vitamin C actually reduces the sebum production very well while fighting the free radicals, of course. It is filled with the power of vitamin C, which is great for gentle exfoliation and reducing the pigmentation to give you clearer and more radiant looking skin while also keeping your skin hydrated. Next on the list, we also have a bunch of makeup products which I'm actually also wearing today. Which I'm also wearing today. The Purple Dual Highlighter Too Much Glowing Much 1. Yes, that's the shade. It actually contains two highlighters, like you can see right here. It is designed to give you easy blending and a shimmery effect while you're actually working with it. It's a weightless, long-lasting hybrid formula, and I love how it actually sits on the skin. It defines and shapes the facial features really well, and the glitter cream formula melts into the skin right away, giving it a beautiful impact. Then we have the Wind Beneath My Wings Purple Eyeliner in the shade Black. It offers a creamy blendability of kohl. It's a beautiful jet black intense color, and it's a smudge proof formula, doesn't dry out, and absolutely long lasting as well. Gives you beautiful high coverage, very easy to work with, and long wearing pigment. Keeps the eyelids hydrated and creates a ultra smooth base and works really well for your makeup. Next we have a concealer palette, which I think solves everybody's purpose. No matter what you want to conceal, this palette will cover it all for you. Now this is the Purple Concealer Palette Covered Operation Guardian City Agent 1. I absolutely love this name, and it promises a long lasting effect, but let me first show you all the shades right here. It's designed to conceal dark circles, acne, redness, puffiness, blemishes and age spots as well. So I'm just going to try out the shade over here to cover my dark circles and this little darkness around my nose. So as you can see, it blends in really well, providing perfect coverage to achieve the appearance of even skin tone. Very blendable, very easy to work with, and gives your makeup a creaseless, flawless finish just like that. It's totally perfect for beginners, and I can say this because I'm not someone who uses concealers a lot. So if I can work with it so easily, trust me, you can do that too. Now moving to the last and final product in our today's haul, the Stay Quirky Cheeky Girls Blush in the shade Coral Chic 05. Now it's a mineral oil and paraben free formula, and I love how it is actually designed and even packaged. It's a natural looking flush of color that pops on every skin color. The shape, contour and highlight of your best facial features, you can just accentuate that with this blush. It's a silky smooth and a lightweight formula, leaving your face healthy and radiant. And guess what guys, it also has SPF 20A, so it enhances your skin tone while giving a consistent shade, and it also protects your skin wherever you use it. I especially love the color payoff and the fact that it is so blendable and so easy to work with. So again, I'm not someone who uses blush a lot, but just with a little bit of few brush strokes or simply just using your fingers, you can get a nice color and this uplifted look on your cheeks just like that. So guys, these are the products I wanted to share with you all in today's quick but really huge haul. I hope you found this video useful, and of course don't forget the big beauty blowout sale, which has already started and will be on till 27th of September, where you can get up to 50% off on 500 plus beauty brands on purple.com. So go ahead, shop now. All the links on purple.com will be shared in the description box below as well for all the products shared in today's video. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you have tried any of these products yourself, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, what you liked about them. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications guys, and keep coming back to Superstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.